What about Buzz Lightyear's dog?
I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger.
And then Woody's like, "You are a toy!"
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good, Woody.
Do the flying thing he does. Do it.
To infinity and your mom.
That's it.
An eruption is a violent outburst of magma, ash, and gases from a volcano. This can be caused by pressure building up within the volcano, or by a sudden release of gases during an eruption. Magma is forced up from deep within the Earth's crust, often leading to the formation of a volcanic cone. Ash rain is a phenomenon that occurs during volcanic eruption, when volcanic ash is ejected into the atmosphere and falls back down to Earth as small particles. The ash can be carried long distances by the wind and can pose a serious health hazard to humans and animals. Ash rain can also have a significant impact on the environment, as it can reduce the amount of sunlight that reaches the Earth's surface, leading to a cooling effect on the climate. In addition, ash can contaminate soil and water sources, crop failures, and other environmental problems. Therefore, volcanic eruptions and ash rain are natural disasters that can have devastating consequences for people, wildlife, and the environment.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Okay. I bring you here for you. Okay. Now, let's.
Sheriff Woody, the protagonist of the Toy Story franchise, is a pull-string cowboy doll with a heart of gold. Voiced by Tom Hanks, Woody's a loyal and selfless friend who always puts the needs of his friends and owner above his own. Throughout the franchise, Woody learns valuable lessons about friendship, loyalty,
Then lost. No, guys, listen. Bonnie had a great day in class, and we're going on a road trip. Road trip?
Vacation!
But then something really weird happened. Bonnie made a friend in class.
Jessie is a cowgirl doll with a passion for adventure and excitement in the Toy Story franchise. Voiced by Joan Cusack, she's a spunky and fearless character who becomes a beloved member of Andy's toy family. Bunny is a plush carnival prize toy with a mischievous personality in Toy Story 4. Voiced by Jordan Peele, he teams up with fellow toy Ducky to help Woody and the gang on their mission.
What about Buzz Lightyear's dog?
I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger.
And then Woody's like, "You are a toy!"
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good, Woody.
Do the flying thing he does. Do it.
To infinity and your mom.
That's it.
Forky is a homemade toy created by Bonnie in Toy Story 4. Voiced by Tony Hale, he is a sport with pipe cleaners for arms and googly eyes who struggles with his new identity as a toy. Woody takes him under his wing and teaches him the importance of being there for Bonnie.
Everyone, I want you to meet Forky.
Golly, Bob House. Look how long his arms are.
Trash?
No, toys. They're all toys.
Trash.
No.
Bullseye is a fictional character from the Toy Story franchise. He is a toy horse that belongs to Woody. Bullseye is known for his loyalty and ability to run at incredibly fast speeds. He is a favorite among children and has been featured in various Toy Story merchandise. Ducky is a yellow rubber duck toy in the Toy Story franchise. He is known for his wisecracking personality and playful attitude. Ducky is often seen alongside his friend Bunny, and the two are known for their catchphrase to infinity and beyond. He has been featured in various Toy Story merchandise.
You are a I don't care bear. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
Ducky. Yeah. You see the new movie trailer? For what? You ain't see it? See what? What is it, Bunny? Ducky. What?
They're making another Toy Story movie.
No! I thought those movies were done, dog. They made 3 movies.
They did make.
Buzz Lightyear is a fictional character from the Toy Story franchise. He is a toy space ranger who initially believes he is a real space hero, but later learns the truth and becomes close friends with Woody and the other toys. Buzz is known for his bravery, loyalty, and catchphrase to infinity and beyond. He has been featured in various Toy Story merchandise, including action figures.
It's a secret mission in uncharted space. Let's go!
I think I have to go.
Where are you going? Why?
We all go? Are we going?
No time to explain. Attack!
No time to explain.
Oh no!
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share. See you next video. Bye bye.